Hey guys, what's happening? How to create a Gmail account without phone number. So if you're inside Gmail app, click your avatar icon at the top, right? And then hit add another account, right? And of course, select the platform, right? Now Gmail supports more than Google, right? You can log in using your iCloud, Outlook, Hotmail, Office 365, Yahoo, or other. In my case, we want to set up a Google account or Gmail account. So we want to use google.com to sign in. So I'm going to hit continue. So if you are new to Gmail, you're going to see a pop-up window just like this, asking you to log in. So I'm going to hit create account at the bottom left. You're going to see a pop-up window for my personal use or work or business. So I'm going to hit my personal use. Add the first name and surname if available. I'm going to hit next. Now, of course, add the birthday and make sure it's the same as your birthday in your ID or your passport, right? So in my case, add this birthday, gender, male, and hit next. Follow along the screen to add a new email. And as you can see now, you want to add a new name or a new username so you can memorize it when you try to log in from a different laptop or different phone. So I'm gonna hit next right here. And I'm gonna add, of course, a strong password, right? Let me add it. And after you hit next, they're gonna show you the terms and service. You're gonna just read it through and accept it. And now you're gonna be able to create a new Gmail account without a phone number. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.